A full circle skirt is all about movement and drama. The fullness of the skirt allows it to flow and swirl beautifully as you move. This creates a sense of elegance and grace. The way the fabric falls creates a flattering silhouette. It accentuates the waist and skims over the hips. To achieve this level of fullness, the skirt is cut in a complete circle. This ensures that the fabric falls evenly and creates a smooth, flowing line. The choice of fabric also impacts the skirt's movement. The gold Baroque pattern adds a touch of luxury and opulence to the skirt. Placing this pattern along the lower half of the skirt creates a visually striking effect. It draws the eye downwards and emphasizes the skirt's movement. The gold Baroque pattern can be incorporated in various ways. You can use a fabric with the pattern woven in. Another option is to add an embroidered or appliqué design. An overlay adds depth and dimension to the skirt. It creates a layered look that is both stylish and sophisticated. Using a slightly longer overlay than the base fabric enhances this effect. It allows the overlay to peek out from under the base fabric, creating a subtle contrast. Choose a lightweight, sheer fabric for the overlay. This will allow the overlay to drape gracefully over the base fabric without adding bulk. Section 4. The importance of invisible finishes. Clean, invisible finishes are essential for a polished and professional look. This is especially important for the zipper and waistband. These areas are often the focus of attention. Use a concealed zipper for a seamless look. The waistband should be neatly finished. You can use a facing or lining to enclose all raw edges. Section 5. A symphony of style and movement. This full circle skirt with its gold Baroque accent is a statement piece. Fullness and flow guarantee movement and drama. The strategic placement of the pattern and the addition of an overlay elevate the design. Clean finishes ensure a sleek and sophisticated look. This skirt is perfect for special occasions. It allows you to embrace elegance and make a lasting impression.